Hello guys, this is Lisa from Daily Life Engineering. Today I will show you how to embed a photo using Adobe Illustrator. Okay, at first open Adobe Illustrator. I will create a new page like which size will be A4 and the orientation will be this, and I will take it on pixels. Okay, that's it, and I will select create. Okay. Now, you can drag picture in this file? I will open this image folder, then I will drag this image to this. That is how I can drag image in a file. Okay, this image is too large, then I will press Ctrl minus to minimize it. If you press shift while minimizing it, then the actual size of the length and width ratio will be same. Okay, I'm pressing shift and I'm minimizing the photo. Then I will take it in this page. Okay, then I will press Ctrl plus to make a zoom view of this photo. You can see a cross sign on this photo because this photo is not embedded yet. So if you save this file and you open it in other PC, then this photo will be showed because this photo is not embedded with this file. Okay, let's see how we can embed a photo in this file. Okay, we'll go to the links and we'll go this side and we'll select embedded images. Okay, now the cross sign is removed because the photo is embedded with this file right now. Now if you save this file and you send it to someone else, and if he or she opens this file, he or she will be able to see this photo. Okay, I have made this toolbar from the window. Everything I have pulled down from the window bar. Okay, here the links, you will also find the links in the window bar. Okay, that's all for today. If you like my video, then you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.